In today's video, we'll be learning how to create this image carousel in Figma. My name is Jacqueline and this is Secure Designs. Press P to activate the pen tool and create a wavy line. Press enter once you're done creating the line. To exit the vector mode, right click and send it to the back. Then reduce its opacity. Duplicate the line and drag the copy slightly downwards. Then duplicate the copy to create as many wavy lines as you'd like. Select all the lines, make sure the width is set to 1 and group them. Grab the star tool from the shapes menu and then draw your star. Increase the star legs to 14 and change the ratio by dragging the points. Press down enter to enter the vector mode and hold down Ctrl or Command whilst dragging your mouse to select the inner points. Then set the points roundness to 1.5. Change its color, drag it downwards and reduce its opacity. Duplicate the star and move the copy towards the bottom of the frame. Then duplicate it once again and move the copy towards the left. Select all the stars, group them and lock its layer. Make sure to lock the layer of the line group. Click on the padlock icon to unlock the foreground layers. Select the frame and uncheck the clip content. Duplicate the rectangle and drag it towards your right. Make sure it's still inside the frame. Search the free pick plugin and load it. Once the plugin is loaded, search Streetwear Fashion and select your desired image. Make sure a shape is clicked so that it loads into the shape. Duplicate the rectangle inside the frame once again and drag the duplicate away. Search different images in the free pick plugin and load the various shapes. Select the frame and click the clip content box to hide the overflowing content. Press T, click anywhere in the frame and type out your description. We're going to copy and paste these descriptions generated by ChatGPT, or you can use the Lorem Ipsum plugin. Copy the first description and paste it. Then adjust its width. Drag the text slightly upwards and add an auto layout. Then rename the auto layout to this one. Duplicate this new auto layout group. Turn off the text 1 layer and copy and paste the second description into this too. Set the auto layout alignment to bottom left. Duplicate the description group once again, then turn off the visibility of the previous layer and copy and paste the third description into the new text. Duplicate the description group once again and turn off the previous layer. Then copy the fourth text into the description. Repeat the process one last time. Once you're done with that, turn on all the description layers and make sure they are perfectly aligned on the bottom. Select all the description and add a frame. Then rename the frame to description. Select the second description to the feed description and set their horizontal position to 60, then set their pass-through value to 0. Press F and create a bar. Adjust its size and add a fill. Set its height to 5. Press R and create a rectangle of the same height inside the bar frame, then change its color. Increase the width to match the frame and divide it by 4. Press T and create your text, then adjust its properties. Duplicate your text and drag the copy to the other end of the bar and change it to 01. Adjust its properties once again. Select the text and the bar and add an auto layout. Press O and hold down Shift whilst drawing a perfect circle. Add a stroke and remove the fill. Then change the color of the stroke. Set the stroke width to 1.5. Press P to create your arrow icon. Press Escape after drawing your first line. Draw your diagonal line, press Escape and draw your next diagonal line. Then press Escape and enter. Set its width to 1.5. Select both the icon and the circle and make sure they're well aligned and group them. Then rename the group to Directional Batting. Duplicate the group. Add a fill and change its color. Then change the color of the icon. Select both groups and create a component set. Switch to Prototype and connect the variant using the while pressing trigger. Then set the animation type to Smart Animate. Drag it out of the frame and switch to the Design tab. Holding down Option or Alt, click and drag away an instance of the component. You can also get an instance of the component by going to the Component tab and clicking on the component there. Duplicate the component, drag it to the other end and flip it horizontally.